Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Wi-Fi and mobile data together. Have you ever experienced slow internet or dropped connections, even when connected to Wi-Fi? Sometimes, your Wi-Fi signal might be weak or unreliable. This technique allows your device to intelligently switch between or even combine both connections, ensuring a smoother and more consistent online experience. It's a fantastic way to boost your connectivity, especially in challenging network environments, giving you the best of both worlds. So, how does this clever technology actually work? Essentially, your smartphone or tablet constantly monitors the quality of both your Wi-Fi and mobile data connections. When your Wi-Fi signal becomes weak or unstable, your device can seamlessly switch to mobile data, or in some cases, even use both at the same time to create a more robust connection. This intelligent management ensures you stay connected with minimal interruption, providing a much more reliable internet experience. The benefits of combining Wi-Fi and mobile data are truly significant. Imagine streaming your favorite show without buffering, or having crystal-clear video calls even when your Wi-Fi is acting up. This method is perfect for maintaining a stable connection while moving around your home or office, or when you're in an area with spotty Wi-Fi. It ensures you always have the most reliable and fastest internet available, making your online activities much smoother and more enjoyable. Enabling this feature is usually quite straightforward, though the exact steps might vary slightly depending on your device's operating system. Generally, you'll want to head into your phone settings, then look for the Network and Internet or Connections section. Within those menus, search for an option like Wi-Fi Assist, Smart Network Switch, or Intelligent Wi-Fi. Once you find it, simply toggle it on, and your device will start intelligently managing your connections for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.